the Ragnar, and this one is 14C 28N steel, and we have a satin finish and a carbon fiber red on this one. They've done different refreshes on all their budget models here. The Ragnar is a pretty sweet one as well, along with the Axor we looked at. Again, we got the knife, we got a business card, a wiping cloth, and a very nice well-built knife pouch there. The knife, here we go. First things first, checking out that carbon fiber. I mean, that is some pretty good carbon fiber right there, looking like lava for sure, with the red accents, yellow accents, and whatnot. Again, exposed liners, sandwich construction, 2 standoffs. You do get a pocket clip here that is reversible and deep carry on this model. I'm not sure why they don't do that on the Axor, given this one is also a liner lock, so go figure. But we do have an opening hole here instead of thumb studs, and we do have a back flipper with some jimping on it, just like the doctor order. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go ahead and send it. Bam! All right, there is the blade again. Satin finish on this one with a flat grind. A little bit of a clip point blade, if you would, with that 14C 28N steel, everyone's favorite. We'll get some measurements in a second, but we do have a pretty lengthy cutting path with a good, nice bit of belly there for sure. Great for tabletop cutting. And that there is that liner. As far as engagement, we're working with kind of like a 20-ish% or so engagement. Good access here from the show side. Nice and easy to disengage. Gotta overcome that detent on the close, but there it is. Wow, extremely drop shotty. I definitely underestimated how little effort I needed for the close. But thumb deployment is good of the opening hole spidey flick. That's where it's at. That feels very, very nice. That is solid. And of course, we're working with ball bearings here and the back flipper. I can light switch it. I think if I push button it, I might fail it. So not the strongest detent out there, but it works if you light switch it. So that's good. This is good news, right? The stop pin on the close is back here. It's actually the same stop pin as it is on the open position. So there is no concerns, right? There's a stop pin on the close, and the same stop pin is the one that's going to handle the close position. So there's no issues with the pin hitting anywhere near where the blade edge is, or kind of becoming an issue later on as you sharpen the knife more and more. So that's a good execution. Of course, these are, again, pretty large knives with my average size hands. So I'm able to get a full 4-finger grip close to the flipper tab here as a finger guard. I can accommodate for a 6-finger if I had one. So bigger hands here won't be an issue. No finger choil on this particular model like we did with the Axor we just looked at. But thumb on the jimping here feels nice. Reverse grip, solid. Gas station fighting grip. The Pacol grip, probably not so much, but all other grips feel pretty solid. And again, the action is pretty spot on there with the ball bearings. I mean, that is very, very sweet. Linear hole back here for my linear people. Let's get a quick read on this bad boy. Coming in overall length at 8 inches, so it is a 1/2 inch longer than the Axor, which is looked at. 3 inches on the blade, a little bit longer here on the cutting path. Almost 3.5, let's call it 3.4 inches on the cutting path, and then just a hair over 4.5, like maybe 4.6 inches on the handle length. Good milling inside here for weight reduction, as you would expect. So I want to say probably coming in around, it's got to be around 4 ounces, like the Axor. There we go. 3.8 ounces or 108 grams. So just a hair lighter than the previous model while getting more handle and more blade, aka cutting path. So pretty good, right? Decent weight for the type of knife that it is. Not gonna weigh you down in any way, shape, or form. Just throw it in your pocket. You won't even know it's there. Great execution, great action. I mean, the quality overall throughout, pretty spot on. And again, these are very, very affordable. Let me know your thoughts on this one, especially with the refresh handle here with the carbon fiber. Looking sweet. Link down below.